What's your middle name?
Yogeshkumar. Kumar.
You okay?
Yeah. We're
We're call Sarge over here. Basil, look at him. Look at the plans. Come on. Are you really going to go to Trace on this?
We find ourselves watching another bizarre encounter with a man who doesn't seem to understand the severity of his actions. This guy is in his 30s, but still acting like a teenager, expecting his parents to clean up his mess. Let's dive right in.
Hey! Get over here, boss. Can you tell him?
Not having a driver's license?
Yeah, and I just took the test.
All right, well, let me see your driver's license, please.
I don't have it. They got to print it, so I still got to take the next test.
Yeah, but whatever.
I just took the test yesterday, boss.
Right.
Whatever you do
Good
on your
thing
end,
you're here. Listen,
whatever you do on your end, we have to verify on ours.
I understood. Okay, listen. This is the 3 parameters I got right now.
Go ahead.
No worries, boss. The 3 parameters I got to get Oakley fuel cells. Okay, so that's 1. I got to get the ID test done again twice, right?
That's 10-4.
And I also got to get 1 fine for my dad done for the city. For the city, I get a bank account. I just stopped at the bank account because my grandma passed. You know that.
Right from the start, this man is playing the I don't have my driver's license card, despite admitting he just took the test and is still driving illegally.
Well,
Now you know that.
I did not know that, and I'm sorry to hear that.
Listen, that's first and foremost. My dad been shitty, bro. Just between me and you. I cut the cord.
And I'm going to talk to you about that in a minute. But right now, we need to talk about your driving.
Okay, understood. She told me that they're doing a fire drill, so I looped around. That's all.
Why are you going to the school?
Huh?
Why are you going to the school?
Because I'm starting a company for clubs and organizations.
You don't go to the school when it's in session.
I didn't know that. So I thought I was
Spell
seasoned.
your first name for me.
Kejal, Kejal.
Nice and
Okay,
slow.
right. Yogesh Kumar first. Can you tell him Yogi? Can you call him to my dad? I gotta go.
All right, listen.
No.
You are detained. If you continue to insist, you're
Yes,
going to be
sir.
under arrest for resisting.
Okay, yes, sir.
I am
Whoa.
investigating your driver's license.
Understood.
I don't want to hear another word about
Yes, sir.
who
Yes,
you
sir.
need to see.
That's affirmative.
You're on my time.
That is affirmative.
Are we clear?
Affirmative.
I appreciate you. Now spell your name slowly for me.
And I went to cohorts with principal.
Where's
but
the Yogi part?
She's gone. Yogi, my dad.
What's your-
You know my dad. That's a prior.
Last name is Patel.
That's a prior.
Patel?
That's like a friar.
Yeah.
I'm
All right,
just saying that.
Kejal, stop talking right now. Stop talking.
Okay.
Unless
I told him last time.
I know, it's
You know what I
okay.
mean? And I don't know. I
Stop,
can't do this.
stop. Time out. In the last 2 weeks since you were arrested by the other officer for driving
Mr.
without a
Patel,
license.
What's your date of birth?
I'm 1988. What's going on, boss? What? Tell me.
So in the last 2 weeks,
I want to talk to boss here.
that's fine. No,
The FBO, he's talked to me a couple times.
I know. In the last 2 weeks since you were arrested, what have you done to get your license back?
Taking the test twice. Now I'm taking it another time. I just got an appointment and I'm going to make it another one.
So you took it twice.
No, today was the appointment. I didn't take it today because my dad still has me doing this, covering this.
So that, yeah, I'm good.
I had to go home to get my grandma's photo.
Okay.
Okay, that's one.
Right.
I had to get Oakley fuel cells. You don't understand because back when we had raw water recommendation. Listen to me. Here,
I'm going to listen to you, but we're still talking about your license right now. Didn't I say we're going to talk about that?
I'm told you I took the test.
You took the test.
They didn't print the license.
But you said you didn't go
It
there.
turned
You
off.
said you had an appointment today, and you didn't go.
My dad couldn't take me.
So that
I
means
can't go
that means
far,
you
boss.
didn't. That means you don't have it.
I drive here. But I drive here.
Hey,
I'm saying
but
my
that
dad
means-
told me to. Seriously,
middle name?
co-words with my dad, please. Because Matt's not around.
What's your middle name?
Yogesh Kumar. Yogeshkumar. Kumar. All right.
Kejal, if we,
You okay?
yeah, we're good.
Understood.
If we wouldn't be having this conversation if we thought you had a license.
Yeah, so now you apologize. That's fine. But I got to go. You know what I mean? Could you help me?
I am trying to help you. I'm talking to you.
I know. Understood. Now it is understood. Verbally, it's understood. Verbally, it's understood.
And I'm asking you questions
Okay.
about what. You know what I'm saying? I'm asking you
Yeah,
questions.
so
What you've done in that
is
2
it
weeks
trace?
that we arrested you last
What? I don't know.
to get your license.
Oh, I took the test. I studied for 2 weeks. I took the test and I
Okay.
failed.
Okay, so that means you took the test, you failed,
No, but I'm taking the test today, and that's what they told me to drive in the precinct in Cape Canaveral.
But you understand that
But
you
my dad
failed,
can't drive.
which means you don't have it.
Yeah, but I'm taking the test.
And you're driving without it.
Yeah, but that's understood with the precinct over there in Cape Canaveral. Understood already.
The man continues to ignore the facts, arguing about everything except his driving. He makes no sense, claiming he's studying for his license and has an appointment, but still continues to drive without it.
It doesn't matter. It's a Florida driver's license.
I understand.
It's not.
I have
it's
a
not
business.
that precinct.
Listen, I have
Okay, Joe, come over here. Come
Okay,
over.
but listen, you got to listen to me, boss.
I'm going to listen to you right now.
Okay, so verbally, I'm telling you that I have a business, Fresh Technologies LLC. It's a PKS. That is an LLC.
All right.
Okay, so now it's not a nonprofit, which
Okay.
is a 500.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
Am I right?
Yeah. So this has
503,
nothing to do with your
501,
business, right?
Yes, it does.
Right, let me introduce Mr. Patel. Put your hands on the car for me real quick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
All right, just like we did the last time. I want
Okay,
you to work
boss,
with
you got to call my dad.
Keep on there.
Hey, boss.
We'll talk to him.
Hey, you got Sarge? You can call Sarge over here?
me. Can somebody talk to 40?
Yeah, I got
Let's do this first.
Bro. You know, since Mr. Harmon...
Okay, Joe, what you got in your pockets?
Nothing. Like,
Nothing
just...
sharp?
No, I have to get my phone.
Dan, thank you.
Yeah. Can I
Listen to this gentleman here. This
Okay,
gentleman keeps talking to you.
sergeant?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, Sergeant, may I talk to you for a brief minute?
He'll talk to you.
Briefly.
Let me grab some gloves.
Good.
I'm getting an approximation for paperwork for my business and my dad's business
Okay.
for the bank. And my grandma just came.
No, we're good. Devin's
We're good, sir. Thank you.
You have to call my dad and the FTO
Do
over
you have a
there.
valid license?
Huh?
Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
Where?
With the state of
What
Florida.
state?
I don't have it on me. They didn't print
You
it.
don't have a valid license.
They didn't print it.
You don't have a valid license in the state of Florida.
Okay, can you call my dad?
Don't turn around, Kate.
No, but I
Don't
got
turn around.
They're going to fall.
Don't turn around.
They're going to fall.
I'll pick him up.
All right. What's wrong, boss? You all right? Huh?
You're under arrest, Mr. Patel.
Okay, Joe.
Driving with a
So you told
Can
me
you call my dad and tell him to pick up the car at least,
No,
please?
you're an adult man.
You hear me, bro?
don't yell at us, Kate.
Yes, sir. But I said I prompt you verbally.
We'll let your dad
I
know
told you.
the car's
I told you I'd call your dad.
Definitely, like right now. That's like a
Okay,
ASAP.
look. This is not Burger King. You don't get it your way.
It's not
Okay,
allowed.
we will work.
Understood.
We will work. We'll call your dad when we get it done. All right, when we get the chance
Is it
to.
going to be effective? Because that's what I'm
Relax.
having.
You need,
problem.
Yogi. You need to relax. Okay.
Junior,
Your
just call me
dad.
Junior.
Your dad.
Junior.
Can you pull me up?
I got you, man.
Junior,
I
your
got you.
dad will be called about the car. You need to relax about that. Don't worry about the car.
Okay, but you need to
No, we're not undoing those. You're under arrest.
You're under arrest. On what ground?
Or
Driving
driving
without a
with a
license.
suspended.
It's clear at this point that the man is not thinking straight. He's possibly drunk, but when asked to confirm, he just keeps talking nonsense. The officer has already explained everything multiple times, but the man insists on making things worse for himself.
License. I just prompted that. I've got a test going today.
Yes, that does not mean you got issued your license, though,
What
Kate.
time today?
I went home to grab my ID.
Yeah, well, you can't. You're not legally allowed to drive to your test.
But they told me to use the ID until then.
No, not the way it works.
Bro, okay, then what are you in sanctioned for, like, right now?
Driving
That's just regular plants. I got plants on plants. Look, open the trunk. Open the trunk, seriously. Open the trunk, trust me.
Regular
You
plants?
Yeah, regular plants. Open
What
the trunk.
type of plants?
Basil, look at it. Look at the plants. Come on. Are you really going to go to the trace on this?
It does not smell like regular plant.
Yeah, but that's the stuff at the store.
All right, so you want me to look in the car?
No, you can't. Underneath my dad's permission. It's my dad's car.
No, you're the driver.
Yep. No.
You told me to look in the car.
No, I didn't. I didn't consent to a search.
You kind of told me to look in the car,
I
Kate.
verbally did.
Probably.
That's all right. I'm going to call your dad. It's
frequently.
okay. It's okay.
Good. That's what's effective.
Okay. All right.
Make that
Is there a
effective?
pocket on that side?
I don't see one.
I don't know what
Okay.
United States does, but I pull up my pants. Thank you very much, sir.
Hey, man.
I'm in it.
All right, Cajo. Anything else?
affirmative,
Verbal communication, effective, ineffective, until you can see something as a provider. I'm just saying, FDL, you call the sergeant, let him know in the Cape Town police. Yeah, so my approximate location. So you gotta let my dad know, remember? What happened last time? Can't be doing this. We have 3 businesses, sir. And this isn't lawful, like, I don't got time.
Put your feet in, Cajo.
Kevlar and everything.
So the school is part of the trespass program. We can trespass.
It's in the city.
Yeah, they don't. Well, and
I mean, I mean,
so I'm just. We don't need a school. Person.
I don't think we do.
Yeah. Hey, Josh. So we've been telling as a courtesy, we let the dad know where he picked up the car.
Fine personal one. That's effective December 2021. And an effective one is my dad's.
Listen.
Canaveral.
Okay, so my name's Officer Hatzel. I work for the school and the police department, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, understood.
I'm telling you now, you can never go back to the school. You are trespassed, okay?
That's why I turned around. I turned around, sir.
Yeah, I know. I'm letting you know you can't go back, okay?
Okay, I was going to just talk to him.
Yeah, okay, listen.
It's been numerous
Listen.
Numerous years.
Listen, don't talk to the kids.
Yes, sir.
Don't talk to the teachers.
May you talk to my dad verbally?
No.
Okay.
Okay, I'm letting you know. Do not, okay?
Alright, cheers.
I appreciate what you say.
Hey, that's already formed.
Well, hey, what'd you say, boss? I couldn't hear you. Can you verbalize?
Exonerated.
Okay.
I'll take care of the.
Another case of a grown adult refusing to take responsibility. This guy could have walked away from the whole situation with just a ticket, but instead, he's complicating everything. Hopefully, he learns the hard way, but based on his behavior, I wouldn't count on it.